session. Okay, what's your name?
My name is Vikas Raj. I'm from Delhi. I study in APS Dholapura.
Okay, and how was the session for you?
The session was awesome.
What was the best part? What did you learn today?
The best part was all the things that both the sirs have tell all of us, and I'll definitely work on whatever he has.
आपको स्ट्रैटेजीज पता चले कि कौन कौन सी स्ट्रैटेजीज हैं, कैसे एग्जाम को अप्रोच करना है?
हाँ जी.
ओके, आपको ओवरऑल कैसा लगा?
Overall, it was awesome.
Okay, thank you. What's your name?
My name is Radhika Verma and I'm from the Khaitan school. I think this session was very fruitful for me and the strategies will help me to score better in my exams. And the strategies have cleared my mind that what to do in these 60 days.
Okay, and how was the handout for you? Was it helpful?
This is very helpful. I'll be very clear with the topics I need to cover in these 60 days.
And you also know the important topics, right?
Yeah, I will know the important topics and to focus on which important topics. I think this is better.
Okay, Radhika. What's your name?
My name is Mukul Chawla. I'm from Delhi, Tilak Nagar.
Which school are you from?
SBB number 1, Tilak Nagar.
Okay, and what was the best part?
All part was best, especially Parag sir explains all the exam pattern, that how can we approach exam and मतलब all सब कुछ क्लियर हो गया, मतलब बेसिकली एग्जाम्स के बारे में.
बेस्ट पार्ट क्या लगा आपको सेशन का?
अंकुर सर का, सर ने केस स्टडीज वगैरह के बारे में काफी अच्छे से एक्सप्लेन करा हमको कि हम कैसे केस स्टडी को अप्रोच कर सकते हैं, तो बहुत हेल्प करेगी इससे.
और ये हैंड आउट कितना हेल्पफुल रहा आपके लिए?
हैंडआउट बहुत हेल्पफुल रहा. लाइक हमें इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चंस पता चल गए कि कैसे हमने अप्रोच करना है और किस टॉपिक को हमने कितना वेटेज के साथ ट्रीट करना है, तो बहुत हेल्पफुल रहा.
ओके, व्हाट्स योर नेम?
Hi, my name is Bhavna. I am from Faridabad, from Tagore Academy Public School.
And how did you like the session?
I like the most
Okay, and what was something that you find most interesting?
strategies given by the sir.
Strategies. And what about BST?
What?
What about BST? BST में क्या टिप्स मिली आपको?
Case studies वगैरह
केस स्टडीज. और आपको हैंड आउट हेल्पफुल लगा?
important topics.
इम्पोर्टेंट टॉपिक से, ठीक है. व्हाट्स योर नेम?
My name is Shilpi Soni and I am from Dehradun. My school name is Kendra Vidyalaya Tirupati.
ओके, आपको सेशन कैसा लगा शिल्पी?
It was so nice.
It was nice?
Interesting.
ओके, आपने सबसे ज्यादा क्या, व्हाट डिड यू लर्न? कि अप्रोच कैसे करना है एग्जाम, ये सब सीखा आपने?
हम स्ट्रेटजी सीखी और कैसे मतलब डायग्राम बनाना है बोर्ड में और
बोर्ड में. अच्छा, तो आपको सेशन अच्छा लगा ओवरऑल?
यस मैम.
ओके, व्हाट्स योर नेम?
I am Aviral Gupta and I am from Gyan Shri School, Noida. I am also a digital student of RKG.
Okay.
The session was a really great one. I learned how to study now as exams are approaching. It was a very productive session.
Okay, and what was the best part?
The best part were the handouts that we got. We got a proper layout on how to look forward to our exams.
So you know how to approach the exam now?
Yes, I know it very well now.
Okay. What's your name?
My name is Tanvi.
Tanvi. And Tanvi, how did you like the session?
It was amazing.
It was
motivated us so much for the exams and all the hard work.
And what is one thing that you would suggest other people?
If you want to motivate yourself, you should come.
You should come.
Yeah.
Okay. What's your name?
My name is Riva Bhardwaj. I'm from Delhi and I really enjoyed the session. It was very, very helpful, and if you are facing any difficulties, you can always ask Parag sir, and you can message him also. He really replies very soon. So yes, it's very helpful.
It's very helpful. Okay, thank you. What's your name?
My name is Rajat and I've been following sir from almost 2 years. And
Where are you following sir, on YouTube or through our app?
I am following him on YouTube, on Instagram, and it felt amazing. I learned various things. I think it will help me in my board exams.
Okay.
I'm from Indus Valley Public School. This session is very helpful for me. I got information about exam strategies, career strategies, what to do, what not to do.
क्या करना चाहते हैं?
I live in Noida and study in DAV, and I find this seminar very fruitful, and this was very amazing. I gained many things from sir, how to prepare for exam, and at all this this material were also very useful.
over the hills and far from mine. She's waiting for love to be realized. I'll send her my heart covered as a gift, and hope that you'll take it into her side.